Welcome all of you in SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Idopedia. I am Ramandeep Kaur, Assistant Professor in SST College of Arts and Commerce. In this lecture, we will discuss differential equation of simple harmonic motion. Differential equation of SHM. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ SHM. शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या है इसका SHM और फुल फॉर्म क्या है सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन. इन लीनियर सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन द फोर्स इज डायरेक्टेड टूवर्ड्स द मीन पोजीशन and its magnitude is directly proportional to the displacement of the body from the mean position. See in this diagram, F is directly proportional to X and F equals to minus Kx. Dear students, when we are removing proportional term, then you have to return constant term, that is any constant term. Here we have using minus K. F equals to minus Kx. F directly proportional to X. When we are removing the proportional term, then you have to write constant, that is minus Kx, where K is a force constant and X is displacement from the mean position. According to Newton's second law of motion, F equals to mass into acceleration. अभी न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन क्या है? In school level, we have discussed three laws, Newton's three laws, the first law, second law and third law. पर यहाँ पर हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Newton's second law of motion. In the mathematical term, the Newton's second law of motion can be represented as F equals to ma. M is what? Mass, and a is what? Acceleration. Comparing equation 1 and 2. In last slide, we discussed F is directly proportional to X. When we are removing the proportional term, then you have written F equals to minus Kx, and the second equation is what? F equals to ma. Now we have to compare equation 1 and 2, then we will get ma equals to minus Kx. यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया है? अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन, फर्स्ट मैंने क्या लिखा था? F is directly proportional to X. After that we have removing the proportionality term. After that we have using the Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion, F equals to ma. When we are comparing the equation 1 and 2, so we get m equals to minus Kx. The velocity of particle is v equals to dx upon dt. Dx upon dt, x is what? The rate of change of displacement with respect to time is called as velocity. When we have to return in the mathematical term, then you can write dx upon dt, that is v equals to dx upon dt. मैथमेटिकल टर्म में वेलोसिटी को आप कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? dx अपॉन dt. और इसको आप रेट कैसे करेंगे? द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम इज कॉल्ड एज वेलोसिटी. एंड एक्सेलरेशन इज व्हाट? द रेट ऑफ change of velocity with respect to time is called as the acceleration, dv upon dt. Then dv upon dt, v की वैल्यू आप पुट कीजिए. what is the value of v? dx upon dt. then we get d square x upon dt square, which is equals to a. तो acceleration क्या है? d square x upon dt square. The first you have to write the velocity. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मैथमेटिकल टर्म वेलोसिटी को कैसे लिखा जाता है. The rate of change of displacement with respect to time is called as velocity. Acceleration क्या है? The rate of change of velocity with respect to time is called as the acceleration. And here we have put the value of velocity. When we are putting the value of velocity, then you will get a equals to d square x upon dt square. Then equations 2 become m d square x upon dt square equals to minus kx. हमने फर्स्ट क्या लिखा था, f is directly proportional to x. After that we are removing the proportional term. After that we are using the Newton's second law of motion and we have comparing the equation 1 and 2. When we are comparing the equation 1 and 2, then you will get the ma is equals to minus kx. Here we have put the value of a is what? Acceleration. तो acceleration क्या है? d square x upon dt square. यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, a की वैल्यू को पुट किया, d स्क्वायर x अपॉन dt स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू माइनस kx. तो इक्वेशन क्या बना, m d स्क्वायर x अपॉन dt स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू माइनस kx. अभी m जो है माइनस kx के डिनोमिनेटर में चला जाएगा. लेट्स सी, d स्क्वायर x अपॉन dt स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू माइनस k बाय m x. अभी माइनस k by m is situated at the right hand side. Now you can shift it in the left hand side. Then the minus sign should be converted into positive plus sign. So you can write d square x upon dt square plus k by m x equals to 0. क्या हुआ, m d square x upon dt square equals to minus kx. जो m की वैल्यू है वो कहाँ पर चली जाएगी, माइनस के एक्स के डिनोमिनेटर में चली जाएगी. तो डी स्क्वायर एक्स अपॉन डी टी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू माइनस के बाय एम. नो माइनस के बाय एम को आप कहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. जब वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट होगा देन जो निगेटिव साइन है वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, प्लस में. तो इक्वेशन क्या बना, डी स्क्वायर एक्स अपॉन डी टी स्क्वायर प्लस के बाय एम x equals to 0. k by m equals to ओमेगा स्क्वायर. अभी k by m की वैल्यू क्या है, ओमेगा स्क्वायर, वेयर ओमेगा इज एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओमेगा क्या है, एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी है. सो हमारा इक्वेशन कहाँ बना, जो k by m है, यू कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ k by m equals to ओमेगा स्क्वायर. So we will get d square x upon dt square plus omega square x equals to 0. This equation 4 is indicate that this equation is called as differential equation of simple harmonic motion. d square x upon dt square plus omega square x equal to 0. तो ये equation 4 क्या है, differential equation of SHM. Either you can say that simple harmonic motion, either you can say that differential equation of simple harmonic motion. Now see the let's examples of numerical. A body of mass 0.2 kg perform linear simple harmonic motion. It experiences a restoring force of 0.2 n when its displacement from the mean position is 4 centimeter. Determined force constant. B. Acceleration of the body when its displacement from the mean position is 1 centimeter. न्यूमेरिकल्स में क्या गिवन है, f is equals to 0.2 n. Force is given to us. The second is x equals to 4 centimeter. Now the centimeter is converted into the meter, so you can write 0.04 meter. f क्या है, 0.2 n और x क्या है, 0.04 meter. First is given centimeter, you have to convert it into meter. जब आप उसे मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो वैल्यू क्या होगी, 0.04 मीटर. और इक्वेशन में आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करने के लिए बोला है, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट फोर्स कांस्टेंट। तो फोर्स कांस्टेंट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय के। के का फॉर्मूला क्या है, F अपॉन एक्स। व्हाट इज F, 0.2 and what is x, 0.04. when we are solving this 0 point upon 0.04 you will get phi n per meter. तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या है, phi n per meter. The second term is we have to calculated acceleration. Acceleration is denoted by a. a का फॉर्मूला क्या है, what is the formula of a, minus omega square x, and minus omega square is what, minus k by m into x, minus k by m, और इसकी वैल्यू क्या है 5 अपॉन 0.2 into 0.04. when we are solving this term you will get minus 1 ms minus square. So in this lecture we discuss how to solving the differential equation of simple harmonic motion. Dear students, ये बोर्ड के एग्जाम में 2 मार्क्स के लिए पूछा जाता है. जब भी आपको डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सॉल्व करना होगा, the first you have to remember that f is directly proportional to x, and when we are removing proportionality term then you have to write the constant which we have using the minus k. Minus k is what, restoring force, and x is for displacement. After that we are using the Newton's second law of motion, mass into acceleration, comparing the equation 1 and 2, put the value of acceleration, rearranging the term, and calculate the differential equation. So differential equation is for d square x upon dt square plus k by square m. तो यहाँ पे हमको क्या मिला, differential equation. After that we have take the small example of the numerical which is based on the differential equation, how to calculate the force constant, how to calculate the acceleration. Thank you.